like I've had long enough to get the world now, we won't let them see. But there's one thing left to do, that the weight has lifted. Love has surely shifted my way. Staying every day. If I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe, say you will. Say you will. Together can never be close enough for me. Feel like I am close enough to you. You wear white and I wear out the words I love you. And you're beautiful. That the wait is over. Love has finally shown her my way. Staying every day.
I'm afraid to fall, but watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000
Who gives this woman in marriage?
I do.
Gentlemen, good afternoon. This is a very, very special day. This is a beautiful couple. Got to meet them a while back. They've been planning this for a long time. And here we are today. And for the purpose of uniting in marriage, I guess you all know that, Nigel Morgan Andrews and Erica Lauren Bilson. And before you take your vows, I would like to tell you this. Love does not come lightly, and marriage should be treasured and respected. You're about to enter now into a contract of marriage, a lifelong obligation which brings great fulfillment and rewards, as well as many obligations and responsibilities. By honoring the vows you make today, you're promising to love and protect each other now and always. And you are holding hands. Please look momentarily at each other's hands so that you may see the gift they are to you. These are the hands of your best friend, young and strong and full of love for you, that are holding yours on your wedding day as you promise to love each other today, tomorrow, and forever. These are the hands that will work alongside yours as together you build your future. Please be seated. These are the hands that will passionately love you and cherish you through the years, and with the slightest touch will comfort you like no other. These are the hands that will hold you when fear or grief temporarily comes to you. These are the hands that will countless times wipe the tears from your eyes, tears of sorrow and tears of joy. These are the hands that will tenderly hold your children the hands that will join your family as one. These are the hands that will give you strength when you need it, support and encouragement to pursue your dreams, and comfort through the difficult times. And lastly, these are the hands that even when wrinkled and aged, will still be reaching for yours, still giving you the same unspoken tenderness with just a touch. Nigel, do you take Erica to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I do.
Do you promise to love Erica unconditionally, to support her dreams and ambitions, to comfort her, honor and keep her in sickness and in health, in prosperity and adversity, and forsaking all others, be faithful to her for as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Erica, do you take Nigel to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
Do you promise to love Nigel unconditionally, to support his dreams and ambitions, to comfort him, honor and keep him in sickness and in health, in prosperity and adversity, and forsaking all others, be faithful to him for as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Love is patient, love is kind, and is not jealous. Love does not brag and is not arrogant, does not act unbecomingly. It does not seek its own, is not provoked, does not take into account a wrong suffered, does not rejoice in unrighteousness, but rejoices with the truth, bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. Today you are exchanging rings. Rings are circles which have always been the symbol of eternity, and as long as you both wear your rings and see them on each other's fingers, I hope that you will always be reminded of your own never-ending love for each other. Good, Nigel, please place the ring on Erica's finger, and keeping your hand on the ring, please repeat after me. Erica, I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a sign of our
as
marriage.
a sign of our marriage.
With my heart,
With my heart,
I honor you.
I honor you.
All that I have,
All that I have,
I share with you,
I share with you,
and all that I am,
and all that I am,
I give to you.
I give to you.
Please place the ring on Nigel's finger. Is that the right one?
No.
Just checking. Keeping your hand on the ring, please repeat after me. Nigel,
Nigel,
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a sign of our marriage.
as a sign of our marriage.
With my heart,
With my heart,
I honor you.
I honor you.
All that I have,
All that I have,
I share with you,
I share with you,
and all that I am,
and all that I am,
I give to you.
I give to you.
The couple will now perform the heart ceremony. Yeah. Before they do, I have a poem from E. E. Cummings. Some of you will recognize this. I carry your heart with me. I carry it in my heart. I am never without it. Anywhere I go, you go, my dear. And whatever is done only by me is your doing, my darling. I fear no fate, for you are my fate, my sweet. I want no world, for beautiful you are my world, my true. And it's you are whatever a moon has always meant, and whatever a sun will always sing is you. Here is the deepest secret nobody knows. Here is the root of the root, and the bud of the bud, and the sky of the sky, of a tree called life, which grows higher than soul can hope or mind can hide. And this is the wonder, that's keeping the stars apart. I carry your heart, I carry it in my heart. Nigel, please repeat after me. I, Nigel,
I, Nigel,
take you, Erica,
take you, Erica,
to be my wife.
to be my wife.
And now you. I, Erica,
I, Erica,
take you, Nigel,
take you, Nigel,
to be my husband.
to be my husband.
And having properly made your vows in the presence of family, friends, and witnesses on this beautiful day, and by virtue of the authority vested in me this evening by the state of California, I'm now delighted to pronounce that you, Erica, and Nigel are married. You may seal your vows with a kiss. And I'm delighted to present to you guys for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Nigel Andrews. Ladies and gentlemen, please make your way back round the outside of the building, in through the front door, find your name tags if you haven't already got them, and that'll tell you where you're sitting tonight. Congratulations to everybody.
Thank you.